Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you a product installation video for Dazuma's black and gold Sputnik ceiling light. The product comes with a wide variety of accessories, so we recommend organizing them before installation. First, remove the packaging from the lighting fixture. The fixture consists of 4 lampstands. Product accessories include 4 light stands, 3 packs of screws, one of which also includes wiring connectors, one instruction manual, 1 remote control, 1 metal cross-shaped mounting plate, 1 black top cover. First, disconnect all the wires connecting the 4 lampstands to the power supply box and securely store the red wire connector. Remove the product's power supply unit. Now the 4 light stands are completely separated. Next, unfold the 4 lamps stands one by one. First, loosen the central mounting rod on the lamp stand. Next, connect the other end and tighten it. Now the lamp stand is fully extended. Next, use the same method to unfold the remainders, 3 lampstands. All lighting stands have been fully set up. Remove the 2 metal rings from each light stand and store them safely. Next, attach the 4 lamp brackets to the 4 holes on the top cover one by one, installing the short brackets first, followed by the long ones. Thread the wire from the light fixture through the hole in the ceiling panel. After putting one on, immediately reattach the metal plate you removed earlier. First the thin ring, then the thick metal ring. Slide the 2 mounting rings along the wire until they snap into place in the holes in the top cover. First, tighten the retaining ring by hand. Then use a wrench to tighten it further. You will need to provide your own wrench. Next, place the second shortest light stand at the base of the light stand you just installed, and follow the same installation steps as for the first light stand. Next, place the third shortest light stand at the base of the light stand you just installed, and follow the same installation steps as for the first light stand. Next, place the last light stand at the base of the one you just installed, and follow the same installation steps as for the first light stand. Connect the power supply box to the wires on the light stand. There are 4 light stands, each with a white wire, a black wire, and a red wire. First, we'll connect the white wires from all 4 lights stands in series. Then tie the white wires from the power box together with the white wires, connected in series on the 4 light stands, and secure them with red cable ties. Finally, you must wrap them with your own electrical tape. Next, tie the black wires from the 4 lamps stands together. Next, connect the black wires from the power box in series with the 4. The black wires on the assembled light frame. Secure them with a red wire, tie, and then wrap the connection with electrical tape. Tie all the red wires from the 4 lights stands together. Next, connect the red wires from the power box in series with the 4 reds. Wires on the assembled light frames. Secure them with red wire ties, and then wrap the connection points with electrical tape. Place the cross-shaped metal mounting plate underneath the electrical box, and use an electric drill to install the 2 mounting screws. Connect the 2 power cables on the other end of the products. The power supply box to the push-on quick connect terminals you have provided. Place the product on the stand and tap the product's cables neatly into the electrical box. Use an electric drill to insert the 4 mounting screws from the screws. Pack into the 4 holes on the side of the top cover. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.